In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online data if you want to keep a copy of your company information for safekeeping. QuickBooks Online gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the backup option first, and then I'll show you another method using export tools. Both approaches are useful depending on what kind of copy you need. To begin, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon. This is where you'll find several account and company tools, including the options related to backing up and exporting your data. From the menu, select Backup Company. Once you're on that page, click on Board and continue with the setup process. QuickBooks will then guide you through the next part. The platform typically provides the instructions you need directly on screen, so just follow the prompts carefully and move through each stage one at a time. In this example, I'm not able to continue past that point because the environment being used is a demo version. However, the process from there is designed to be straightforward. As long as you follow the setup instructions provided by QuickBooks, you should be able to complete the backup of your company data without too much trouble. If you're doing this in your own live account, take a moment to review each screen before confirming anything, just to make sure the settings match what you want. Now, if you prefer another way to save your information, QuickBooks Online also lets you export data manually. To do that, go back to the gear icon at the top right and click it again. This time select Export Data. On the export screen, choose the reports or lists you want to download. This is helpful if you only need specific information, such as financial reports, customer lists, or other records, rather than a full backup setup. After selecting what you want, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will then generate the file for you, and you can save it to your computer. A good tip here is to store your exported files somewhere organized and secure so they're easy to find later. You may also want to name the file with the date so you can quickly identify the most recent version. And that's it. That's how to back up QuickBooks Online data using the backup feature, and also how to export your data to Excel as an alternative.